Salamanders are amphibians. This means they are able to live on land and in water. Like other amphibians, salamanders are cold-blooded, which means that they rely on the environment to keep their blood a certain temperature. Due to their appearance, salamanders may be confused with lizards. However, lizards are reptiles and do not have moist skin or the ability to live underwater like salamanders do. Like frogs, salamanders begin their lives as eggs. As they grow, they develop lungs, which allow them to breathe outside of the water. Salamanders are often brightly coloured. This helps warn predators that they may be poisonous if eaten. To catch their own prey, salamanders launch out their sticky tongues in the same way that frogs do.